my last vlog how I mentioned Bronco Ride and I talked about riding one day? No shit, out of the blue, the other day he texted me and said that him and some other guys are going on a ride and they're meeting up somewhat about 30 minutes away from me, and asked me if I wanted to go, and of course I said yes. So I'm on my way to meet up with Bronco Ride and some of his friends, a bunch of Harley guys. So I guess they'll let me tag along on my bougie British bike. But he did say that himself and another guy are very, I think Bronco Ride is going to get the Pan America, but there's another guy interested in it. So maybe on the precept that I'm riding an adventure style motorcycle, they'll let me be part of the clan. So we'll see. At any rate, I just wanted to pop on here, we'll say that real quick. I got about a 30-minute ride or so to get to where I'm going, and I will turn the camera back on once I get there, and we start going on a little ride. It's gonna be a long day. We're riding out to Afton Mountain. There's a brewery out there. I do not recall the name of it. It's not Afton Brewery, but it's in that area, and to have lunch, and we'll probably ride a section of Skyline Drive before we head home. So it might be, you know, a 4 to 6 hour day, which is never a bad day when you're on a motorcycle, you know. At any rate, I'll talk to you guys soon. Well, here we are getting ready to go on this ride. It's going to be I think I'm going to be third in line, and then the guy behind me is a sweeper. This is a Bronco Ride right here in front of me. He invited me on this ride here. These are Hog chapter members, and they graciously let me ride with them. So Bronco Ride right there in front of me on the blue bike, and the guy leading the track here is they're both on the list to pick up some Harley Davidson Pan Americas. I think he said they pre-ordered theirs, so they're like 500 I think were only the ones that were pre-ordered, which is a pretty small number, and they're on the list, so that's pretty cool. I think they'll be having them at about about a month or so. I think they'll be getting theirs, supposedly. I don't know. That's pretty cool. Everybody wants to be an adventure bike rider, and now that Harley's got one on the market, that's awesome, because all the Harley guys can still be Harley guys and have adventure bikes. So here we are at the Blue Mountain Brewery, if I can speak English. We stopped here for lunch after a nice long ride. We got Colin over here, Bronco Ride. You guys know him. Hi. Yeah, he's like that in real life. He's kind of nuts.
Kind of a nutty guy?
Kind of a nutty guy.
I am.
But we've kind of like known each other online for about 3 or 4 years, and first time we met in person and went on a ride.
It's so funny. I don't know if you can hear me. I said this, I did a video earlier. I'm like, I finally can ride with Ron after 4 years. All we live an hour apart, and we never freaking ride together.
It's sad, pathetic.
So this is awesome that we're doing.
Absolutely.
Right on.
So he actually invited me on this new bougie Harley owners group ride.
Bougie.
And we got Todd leading the way over here. We got Jay bringing up the back, and we got John back there, and I'm riding behind John on the bike. So Jay here's a Navy vet. This is John.
Thank you.
So we're getting ready to get back on the road.
Yes, sir. All right.
All right, so we just left the restaurant, and this I missed it. I didn't have the camera on, but the views through this road right here are unreal. This valley right here is unbelievable. It's so green, everything now. All these, I guess, it's some horse paddocks back there, but yeah, it's very well kept through here. But I just want to get on here real quick because I haven't been vlogging very much. I got my car though. Me and the road captain up there are the only two with Cardos. Colin's got a Senna, but he didn't want to go through the problems of trying to get it to sync up, so we're just me and Todd in the front there are the only two with comms devices. So I've been talking to him the whole time, and we seem to have a lot in common with some career backgrounds and ham radio hobbies and things like that. So I didn't do a lot of recording, but now I am. So, you know, I just made all those introductions back there at the restaurant. We just left on a ride back. We decided not to take the Parkway, Skyline Drive, because it's probably unbelievably crowded. It's as beautiful day as it is. It's 71 degrees, this clear blue skies. It's just it's just beautiful out here today. And I just wanted to get some of that on camera before I forget. But these guys are all great. This is a hog chapter that Bronco Ride is a member of, and he graciously invited me to come ride with him. You know, he and I haven't ridden together before, so this was a great opportunity for us. You know, we've known each other for, I mean, I say known each other, we've had an online friendship through YouTube for 4 years now, I guess it is. We live an hour away, so today was an awesome opportunity, and he graciously treated us to lunch today, and that was unbelievable of him to do that. So yeah, so far it's been a great day. Now, I did miss a ride with the Brass Monkey motorcycle riding group. They had a ride today too. Unfortunately, I screwed that up because I thought tomorrow was the 1st of May for some reason, but no, it was today, and which is sad because it's pathetic. I missed the ride. It was even meeting up at right there, you know, a few blocks from my house in Bowling Green, but I'm sure I'm going to get beat up for it on our little forum in the comments for that, but I'll accept it because there's no excuse. There's no excuse for missing that ride. But anyway, I'm going to get back to riding back down this twisty road. I might leave the camera roll for some B-roll footage, and we'll see how it goes from here. Thanks guys for watching my video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I mean, I'm having fun with YouTube, and this year, the past year or two actually, has probably been my best and favorite years of being a YouTube content creator. And that's because I've been able to meet in person other YouTube content creators as well as some subscribers. And to me, that is the hands down my favorite part of YouTube, is meeting subscribers out there and making new friends. So, you know, this here most recently I've met Billy up there in Luray at his dairy farm. He introduced me to the girls, the cows, and his wife. I met her. And Billy, Beth, appreciate that. And then I met Craig down in North Carolina. Craig set me a box of chocolates up with an awesome trip, and you saw the video for that. And so all they are is names and people who leave comments on your channel, and all of a sudden now they're friends, and I really appreciate that. So leave a comment. Let me know if you're going to be in the area. We'll hang out. Maybe I'll be in your area one day. We'll meet up, have a cup of coffee or something else, and become friends. And that's what YouTube is all about in my book. So you guys be safe. Thanks again. Really do appreciate you guys watching.